Give you more and more.
Period. It's giving Ari. It's giving the real Kyle sister. Period.
You guys, when I prayed for a good man, a loving man, Allah took it first. Now, I got this card. It was from My Flowers, and it says, "Happy Women's Day. My happiness. I want to see you happy always, and I would want to see you smile. From your love, Jay." Whatever it said. So this came with My Flowers, and this. Now, besides the flowers and the gifts that I got, like really, it was a surprise. He went person with packaging. Now, this is someone who really loves perfection. I'm a perfectionist, but he loves perfect things. So this is how it was packaged, and it was really, really nice. So I decided not to open it because already I know what is inside, but I decided not to open it because I wanted to unbox it with you. This is how it looks. I hope you can see it well. This packaging is really nice. It is hard, and look at this. Like, honestly, look at this. Who didn't love such a thing? This is really, really nice. And guess what is inside, guys? Let me give you 2 seconds to guess what is inside. But I love it. Honestly, I really love it. It came with a flower still. I think he got this from the flowers that he brought, but look at these. Honestly, I was so thrilled. I love it. Now, besides that, look at the colors that he got me. This is a Sharia, a full Sharia, and guys, it comes with this. This is a belt. This is a veil. I don't want to like unwrap it because I'm traveling in less than 2 hours, and this is how it looks like. So this is a nude, guys. I think you all know that I love nude colors. And then the material, guys, this is nice. So this is the first dress that you wear when you're wearing it. Of course, you see me wearing this, but not now, because who wouldn't want to try such a material? Like, look at this. I love the details. I really, really love it. You see? It is nice. The material is really perfect. It is so soft. It is slippery. It is comfortable. Like, it really feels good on the skin. I cannot wait to wear this. Okay? So this was a full Sharia, and this is the top gown. Guys, this is the top gown. I love it. It is so nice. The material is really to die for. I love the details. It is not much. It is classy. It is really, really, really classy, and I love it. Honey, I love you for this. I really have to take, I think, a photo shoot. Some nice pictures, because honestly, I think I don't have Sharias. A caring man. Allah took it personal. Allah took it personal. So yesterday was Women's Day. I think you've seen the video, or you're going to see the video when I'm working on my flowers. Yesterday I received flowers, a surprise for my man, and something that I've been wanting to buy, and I've been scared because things are so expensive currently. So yesterday, as usual, I didn't have any plans, and my brother decided to take me out with a girlfriend. So we were 3. I went for swimming, and then it was really a nice one. We were in Myanga, and then I didn't know these guys had programs. And guess what? I was surprised. Later, he came and found us there, and I was given things like something that I've been really, really wanting to buy. So I'm going to unbox with you, and then after unboxing, of course, you're going to see what I got. Wide enough, the color matches with this, and then with the veil. So where do you get a man who buys everything in one package? So barakallah fake. I love it, and I can't wait to try this on. Of course, I tried it on for him, but I cannot let you see this. Yeah, So that is what I wanted to show you. And if you're not happy for me, that is your problem, because hey guys, yeah, God did. So you must be happy. If you're not happy, honestly, biyambagwe. Biyambagwe. So yeah, I'm just going to leave this here because I'm traveling, and honestly I don't even have where to put this. And I'm also I was planning on doing a closet, but for some reasons I had to put that at, like, I had to pause that for some reasons that you will know soon or later.
Before I knew it, I'd already reached the end of my 20s. I'll be turning 29 at the end of August. I feel like my 20s have been nothing short of eye-opening. As soon as I think that I've got it all figured out, God just completely renews my mind and humbles me, year after year. At this point, I think I'm done with making 10-year plans, because every year is just so drastically different from the last. If you're heading into your 20s or just smack dab in the middle of it, I hope this video can give you some wisdom and direction for your next chapter. Without further ado, here are the 20 most valuable things I've learned in my 20s. Number 1. Everything will happen in its own time. There's a verse in Ecclesiastes that says, "For everything there is a season, a time for every activity under heaven." I learned this the hard way. I've always been a driver, someone who wants things done a certain way and then makes it happen in her own time. But my 20s has taught me that I can't always outsmart life. There are too many factors out of my control. To avoid this cycle of disappointment, I needed to embrace the idea that there is a season for everything, and all I have to do is be a good steward of what I have today and leave the rest up to God. This mentality has freed me from so much stress and disappointment. If something doesn't work out, now I know to remind myself, everything will happen in its own time. Number 2, follow the 80-20 rule for relationships. The world-renowned expert on narcissistic personality disorders, Dr. Ramani, said that what she tends to see is that her clients invest around 80% of their time in toxic people who lack boundaries, and only 20% of their time in healthy and empathetic individuals. The goal here is to reverse that. Invest 80% of your energy into people who will uphold your boundaries, and only 20% of your energy into people who will drain you if you must. Sometimes, you might not have an option if it's a family member or someone whom you depend on for a living. But try your best to keep your interactions to a minimum for the sake of your mental health.
This is cute.
Dr. Ramani also explained that a healthy relationship is characterized by respect, compassion, kindness, reciprocity, patience, empathy, and gratitude. A narcissistic relationship is characterized by contempt, invalidation, dismissiveness, minimization, gaslighting, devaluation, and entitlement. This aligns with one of my favorite proverbs, which says, "Do not make friends with a hot-tempered person. Do not associate with one easily angered, or you may learn their ways and get yourself ensnared." Number 3, you have inherent worth. I'll be honest, I didn't really understand this when I first heard it. Obviously, I felt like I had worth, but only because I was doing well in life or had a great education. I felt like my worth was mostly dependent on what I did or who I was associated with. That way of thinking absolutely destroyed me